G'day mates, welcome to Uncle Nico's Home Handyman channel, where today I'll teach you how to demagnetize a ResMed CPAP mask. Now some of you watching might be thinking, why the bloody hell would you want to do that? Magnets, so convenient aren't they? Just clip on, clip off, too easy. Well, unfortunately for some people, those with pacemakers and other implants, magnets, they can cause problems, all right? So today I'll teach you how to remove them. Now you could go and get yourself, Fisher and Paykel mask, old school with the clips, great masks, but it really does limit your option if you don't have some of these ResMed masks available. And there's so many of them that have magnets. The F30, the F30i, the N20, the F20, the brand new F40. This is the F40 here. And you can see I've just removed the magnets, performed the operation. It now has clips, whereas this F40 here, magnets. Now ResMed, I'll put a link in the description down below for all the contraindications. They're basically the warnings for people with all the different implants. But you need to keep these magnets at least 6 inches, 150 millimeters away from any of these implants. I'll put the list in the description down below. And what can happen? You might be thinking, oh, the magnet's up here, it's okay. But although the magnets are secure, 400 MT, they can come off. They can detach during the night, and then the strap hangs down or gets close to your partner. So you just need to be careful. And they did do a massive recall, like a voluntary recall recently, because these contraindications, the warnings, weren't up to scratch. Now, let's get to it. Enough waffle. I do that. The tools you will need, you can get away with just a soldering iron. Right, so what are they, 20 bucks? But it does help if you also have like a sander, my orbital DeWalt sander here, just to, give that smooth, luxurious finish, if you know what I mean. But the little magnets themselves are actually loose, and they're just under this little blue seal. So the blue seal sort of locks them in place, but you can sand that off, the magnet falls out, and then you just sort of melt a little hole, buy yourself some clips, and away you go. All right, let's get to it. Thanks for watching, mates. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and if you'd like to read the feedback on the brand new AirFit F40, I think it's a winner. But it's not about what I think. I've got over 40 real-world users who have provided their insights, their feedback, and if you'd like to read that feedback, just click the link above. Until next time, sleep well, look after your mates, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.